After 2 days exploring the charming village of Mykonos, now it's time to bid goodbye. We had a great time hanging around here, and to be honest, we wanted to come back here in the near future. We're a bit sad, obviously, leaving Mykonos today, but on the other hand, we're also very excited to hop on that ferry and go to Naxos. Where we had our breakfast yesterday. We're at the old port and Philip is buying our tickets going to the new port, and it costs €2 per person and it's leaving every 30 minutes. So we still have time though to have our breakfast, and then we're planning to just take it there nearby here because it's so exhausting to roll this heavy luggage. Iced coffee, cappuccino. We are here at the Milky Way. It's right next to the port and we're having breakfast here. And look at the view, guys. It's so nice and it's getting busier now. How many minutes going to the new port?
10 minutes.
10?
Yeah.
That's how it looks like here. The old Mykonos town. I think we still have about an hour to wait here for our ferry to Naxos. Yeah, so this is the situation here. It's super busy and actually our ferry is already delayed for an hour. Finally, our ferry has arrived. Are you excited? I was expecting that it was just a small ferry, but it's actually big. So we're inside the ferry now. A food station here. What's our number, Huning? 88M. There's our seat number. So we are leaving now. The journey is about 1 hour and 30 minutes. We have a little stop over here at Paros Island and it looks so nice as well. whitewash village as usual. And now we are going to pick up a rental car, right? Yeah, so we have a rental car for this trip because we're gonna be staying here for a week, so it's worth it to get a rental car.
I need a distraction.
Here there are a bunch of restaurants all the way from there to here, and then Philip is currently arranging a rental car, and I can already see a difference here from Mykonos. Here it's less busier, and yeah, it's quieter. And a rental car for this trip is from Alamo. It's the same company we got when we had our trip to Mexico. If you haven't watched it yet, you have to watch it. And yeah, I'll talk to you later when we get to our accommodation. This is a rental car. It's just a small Skoda car, and we paid 250 euros for 1 week, and full insurance is already included. So it's ideal to rent a smaller cars here because the roads here are also kind of smaller. And we'll go to our accommodation after here. It's only 3 kilometers away from the port. That must be our accommodation, guys. We're here. We're here at Casa Verde de Naxos.
Hi.
Hi!
Sorry we're late.
Marie, nice to meet
I'm
you.
Katerina.
Philip, hi.
And you?
Marie.
Marine.
Yes.
Come.
Oh, it feels so homey here already.
Yes.
Yes.
We have the mountain view. Oh my god. So nice here, guys. Oh my god. Katarina, the lovely owner.
Thank you.
Okay.
Your
Oh
cake.
my
Yes.
god.
Here,
So nice.
it's
Oh, that's so sweet.
wine for my husband. It's
Oh.
handmade.
Oh,
cool.
wow.
And fruit and milk and rice.
Milk rice.
Milk rice.
Yes. Okay.
And Wi-Fi is here, the code.
So nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. Here.
And we have a little balcony here
Yes.
Okay.
with the mountain view.
And if you want to go,
We can also go up.
yes, to see the old town and the castle.
Okay.
Nice.
Come with me. Can
Yes.
you go with me?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. I will just leave it here.
Come.
So we're gonna go up to check the view. Oh, nice. Amazing. Yeah. Oh, nice. This is the perfect spot to drink the wine.
Yes, if you want to take your chairs
Yes.
and in the evening, in the afternoon, for drink.
And it's so fresh here.
Wind there. Wind.
Yeah, it's so nice. Oh, look at that. Really, really nice. I'm in love already.
Thank you.
That's nice. So guys, it's already 6 in the evening and it's almost sunset, and there's this beautiful spot here, and it seems like everyone is going there to catch the sunset. It's like something like an archaeological site where there's like some ruins, and it's on the top of the hill. So we're on our way there now, and there's this young boy playing. Oh, keep hopeful. Oh my god, guys, look at this view right here. Really beautiful. So that's where we are going to right now. There's something like a big frame where you can spot the whole Naxos town. And there are also some people here still going swimming. So here we are, guys. It looks like a big photo frame. You cannot get nearby, it's barricaded. So I don't really know the history about this particular spot here, but it looks so nice. See, it looks like a photo frame, right? Build ramen. So that's the whole Naxos town. Really nice. Naxos is already giving us some good vibes from the accommodation. The lady there is really kind, so friendly and so sweet. And then yeah, it's just so nice, you know. I can't wait to explore tomorrow the beaches, go around the island, discover places in Naxos. So right now we're starving and we gonna grab some good food. I'm quite curious about the pricing here. Let's see how is it compared to Mykonos. Look, it's only 6 euros for happy hour. In Mykonos, the prices starting from 12 euros for a cocktail. Can you believe it? There's a bubble tea here. In Naxos, bubble tea. I was expecting in Mykonos I can find a bubble tea, but there's nothing. So guys, we're currently looking for a restaurant, a good restaurant. This one here looks good. Hier sieht schön aus auch. Hier sieht schön aus. Looking good. Was willst du? The prices are way cheaper than Mykonos. What do you want? We're still not checking.
Yeah.
We're just gonna check some. Thank you. Here's also nice one. Lots of choices here. I'm drooling right now. Wo, da gibt auch Dorade, guck mal. Das ist gleiche von gestern. 15 Euro nur. What do you want?
Yes. Glass of wine.
Glass of wine and Mythos beer. So guys, this is the catch of the day fish. It's dorade with some fries and salad, and it cost 14 euros and 50, and this is included the red wine, and I also got fresh orange juice. Gyros, chicken gyros. How much it cost? 10 euros, and then the beer is 4 euros plus the expensive looking sunset looking. So nice. Let's have our dinner.